I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now choose Trigger. Fluent Support. Now copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to the Fluent Support dashboard. Navigate to the workflows. Add new workflow. Give here a meaningful workflow name. Choose workflow type. Continue. Choose workflow trigger. Choose an action trigger outgoing webhook. Now paste the webhook URL and give the action title. Save it. Now publish the workflow. Navigate to the ticket. Create a ticket to fetch the data. Here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Set action. Search and select an action. Twilio. Give your account SID, auth token, and phone number. So please visit the Twilio console. Copy the account SID, auth token and Twilio phone number. And paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select number. Map the messages fields. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Go to Fluent Support and create a ticket. Ticket created successfully. Now go to the Twilio site and refresh the page. And you can see the message was sent successfully. Thanks for watching.